Here's your rewritten spoken text only version. Same length, smoother, and more natural flow. Hey everyone! Trying to log into Instagram but keep seeing a login failed error? I know how frustrating that is. But the good news is, it's usually easy to fix. Let me walk you through all the working solutions step by step. Let's get started. First, let's understand why this happens. Login errors can be caused by incorrect details, too many failed attempts, suspicious activity, an outdated app, a weak internet connection, a temporarily disabled account, or even server issues on Instagram's side. Now let's fix it. Fix number 1. Double-check your login details. Make sure your username, email, or phone number is entered correctly with no typos or extra spaces. Also check your password and make sure caps lock is off. Try logging in using your username, email, and phone number. Sometimes one works better than the others. Fix number 2. Reset your password. On the login screen, tap Forgot Password or Get Help Logging In. Enter your details and request a login link. Check your email and spam folder or your SMS messages. Create a new password and try logging in again. This fixes most login issues. Fix number 3. Check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, or turn airplane mode on and off to refresh your network. A stable connection is required for Instagram to verify your login. Fix number 4. Wait if you've tried too many times. Instagram may temporarily block your login after multiple failed attempts. Stop trying for a while, close the app, and wait 1 to 2 hours before trying again. Fix number 5. Update or reinstall the app. Go to the App Store or Play Store and update Instagram. If it's already updated, uninstall it, restart your phone, and install it again. This clears any bugs or corrupted data. Fix number 6. Check if Instagram is down. Visit a site like Down Detector and search for Instagram. If many users are reporting issues, just wait and try again later. Fix number 7. Try logging in with Facebook if your accounts are linked. If that doesn't work, go to Instagram's Help Center and submit a support request to recover your account. And that's it. Check your details, reset your password, fix your connection, wait if needed, update the app, and try alternative login options. Follow these steps and you should be back in your account quickly. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.